Good morning students. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to continue chapter 11 Profit and Loss. In this chapter we are going to solve some question of brain teasers. If you remember some formulas in profit and loss, you can easily solve the chapter. Number 1. If selling price is greater than cost price is equal to profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Number 2. If cost price is greater than selling price is equal to loss. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Number 3. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Number 4. Selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Number 5. Cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Number 6. Cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Question number 1. Sunil bought 6 dozen bananas at rupees 35 per dozen. He sold all bananas for rupees 300. Did he have a gain or loss, and how much? See, in this question, Sunil bought 6 dozen bananas at rupees 35 per dozen. Per dozen means cost price of 1 dozen bananas is equal to rupees 35. So cost of 6 dozen bananas is equal to rupees 35 multiplied by 6. Now do the multiplication. We get rupees 210. And selling price of bananas is equal to rupees 300. And profit or loss we have to find out. Now tell me which one is greater, cost price or selling price? Yes, selling price. And we know that if selling price is greater than cost price, we have a profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Now put the value. Rupees 300 minus rupees 210. Do the subtraction. We get rupees 90. So profit is equal to rupees 90. Let us solve one more question. Question number 2. A man purchased 7 stools and 8 tables. The cost of one stool was rupees 150 and the cost of one table was rupees 280. If he sold all the stools and tables for rupees 3100, find his gain or loss. See, in this question, cost of one stool is equal to rupees 150. So cost of 7 stools is equal to rupees 150 multiplied by 7. Do the multiplication. We get rupees 1050. Again, cost of one table is equal to rupees 280. So cost of 8 tables is equal to rupees 280 multiplied by 8. Now do the multiplication. We get rupees 2240. So cost price of all stools and tables is equal to rupees 1050 plus rupees 2240. Now do the addition. We get rupees 3290. And selling price of all stools and tables is equal to rupees 3100. Profit or loss we have to find out. Now tell me which one is greater, cost price or selling price? Yes, cost price. And we know that if cost price is greater than selling price, we have a loss. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Now put the value. Rupees 3290 minus rupees 3100. Do the subtraction. We get rupees 190. So loss is equal to rupees 190. Let us solve one more question. Question number 3. An engineer spent rupees 24,500 to assemble a computer. He sold it at a profit of rupees 8,250. At what price did he sell it? See, in this question, cost price of the computer is equal to rupees 24,500 and profit is equal to rupees 8,250, and selling price of the computer we have to find out. We know that selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Now put the value. Rupees 24,500 plus rupees 8,250. Now do the addition. We get rupees 32,750. So he sell it for rupees 32,750. Let us solve one more question. Question number 4. 3 dozen oranges were sold for rupees 120. If there was a loss of rupees 9, find the cost price of 1 dozen oranges. See, selling price of 3 dozen oranges is equal to rupees 120. Loss is equal to rupees 9. And in this question, first we find out the cost price of 3 dozen oranges and then we find out the cost of 1 dozen oranges. We know that CP is equal to SP plus loss. Now put the value. Rupees 120 plus rupees 9, we get rupees 129. So CP is equal to rupees 129. If cost price of 3 dozen oranges is equal to rupees 129, then cost price of 1 dozen oranges is equal to rupees 129 divided by 3. Now divide, we get rupees 43. So cost price of 1 dozen oranges is rupees 43. Students, you need to practice more and more because practice makes a man perfect. The more you practice, the more you are going to enjoy maths. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.